Julie the Genie here. I'm just popping on to give some tips for a more organised school environment. So the top one that comes to mind is a place for everything and everything in its place. So when it comes to somewhere like a school where it's so busy and active all the time, having storage, particularly like purposeful storage, where everywhere has its own little home where it's supposed to go at the end of every day. So whether that's in a classroom where all the pens go, or pencils, books, folders, or in the more common areas which tend to get messy easier because people don't take responsibility for them. Places for lost and found, anything that's used at lunchtime like a basketball, football. So having a place for everything, and particularly if you have it labelled, even better. So the students tend to take more responsibility for putting things away if they know where they're to go. So top tip is